Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello Class 8 candidates, how are you? I believe you are fine and I'm fine too. Today I want us to look at money orders. In the previous lessons we looked at postal charges, whereby we say this is sending our items used through the post office. Sometimes you can be required to send money through the post office. So this is a situation whereby we send money through the post office. You can send money to somebody, maybe within one country, which is called inland money orders. These are inland money orders. Sending money within one country. For example, when you are in Nairobi, you send money to somebody who is in Kakamega. You can send money to somebody who is Kisumu. You can send money to somebody who is in Moyale, in Isiolo, in Mombasa, or in Machakos, anywhere within one country. That is inland money orders. Sometimes you can also send money to person or somebody who is outside one country. For example, you can send money to person who is in the United States. You can send money to somebody who is in Somalia, who is in Uganda, Tanzania. That is what we call interstate money orders. Those are interstate money orders. So, when sending money orders, we have something called the money payable. The money payable at the post office. For example, you want to send money, a money order for 20,000 or 10,000 shillings or 5,000 shillings. The money payable is the total amount of money which you pay at the counter, that is in the post office, which includes the money order, the value of the order. The value of the order. The order is the amount of money you are sending. So, the amount of money payable is the value of the order plus the commission charged. Plus the commission charged. The value of the order plus the commission charged. That is the money payable. When you are asked how much money, somebody said 3 money orders worth 15,000 shillings, 3,000 shillings, and 4,000 shillings. How much money did he pay at the post office? That is now the money, the amount of money called the money payable, which includes the amount of money you are sending plus the commission that will be charged. For example, let's look at the table, a table on money orders. You'll see that you have the value of order, and the commission. The commission charged, the value of the order and the commission charged. The commission which is given in shillings and cents. This is just a small table on money orders. Then you are given up to 500 shillings. This person pays 24 shillings and 00 cents. Then you are told from 501 shillings to 1,000, you'll be required to pay 32 shillings. 32 shillings. From 1,000 shillings and 1 to 5,000 shillings. From 1,000 shillings and 1 to 5,000 shillings, you'll be required to pay 40 shillings. From 5,000 and 1 to 10,000 shillings, you'll be required to pay 56 shillings. Then the question comes. Then a question comes up to 10,000 shillings. Then a question comes. Somebody said 3 money orders. Worth 3,000 shillings. Another one costing that is 680 shillings. 680 shillings, and another one 5,000 shillings. how much, the first question, how much commission was this person charged? So you have to look at where these money orders lie, the ranges in which the money orders lie. We start with the 3,000 shillings. 3,000 shillings, where does 3,000 shillings lie? Is it 501 to 1,000, or 1,001 to 5,000, or 5,001 to 10,000 shillings? So 3,000 shillings lies within this range. So if he's sending money worth 3,000 shillings, the amount of commission he will be charged is 40 shillings. Then we go to 680 shillings. 680 shillings. This money order lies from that is between 501 shillings to 1,000. So it will pay a total of 32 shillings. Sorry, it will pay a commission of 32 shillings. Then lastly, he paid 5,000 shillings. He sent money worth 5,000 shillings. Where, in which range does 5,000 shillings? Is it from 501 to 1,000, or 1,001 to 5,000, or 5,001 to 10,000? You realize that 5,000 shillings, it is in this range. So you pay 40 shillings. So, how much money did he pay for the postage? Money did he pay for the postage? This question is telling you to calculate the commission. How much did he pay for the postage? So this one is requiring you to calculate the commission. So in this case, the commission is 40 shillings plus 32 shillings plus 40 shillings, which is 112 shillings. 112 shillings. So suppose you are asked, how much money did he pay at the post office? How much money did he pay at the post office? The amount of money paid at the post office is the total amount of value of orders plus the total commission. Amount of money payable at the post office is the amount of, because he paid 3,000 shillings and he was given a money order for 3,000 shillings. He also paid 680, then he was given a money order worth 680 shillings. He paid 5,000 shillings and he was given money order worth 5,000 shillings. So amount of money payable at the post office is the value of order plus the total commission. In this case, the value of order is 8,680 shillings plus the commission. So amount of money payable at the post office is the total amount of money order plus 112, which is 8,792 shillings. That is the amount of money he paid at the post office. Sometimes some children will be confused. Then once given the total amount of money orders, you are told this person sent 3 money orders worth 3,000 shillings, 680 shillings, 5,000 shillings. How much money did he pay for the postage? Then such people should come and calculate the total amount of value orders. Then they say he paid 8,680 shillings. Then they come and look for the money here. Then they take 56 as the answer, which is very wrong. Just take each value of order independently, because sometimes you'll be told somebody sent 3 money orders of 6,000 shillings each. Somebody said send 3 money orders worth 6,000 shillings each. How much did he pay for the postage? So it means is this person sent 3 money orders and each money order was 6,000 shillings. Don't come and calculate a total of 18,000. Then you try to rate it according to the table given. No, that will be very wrong. Just take, if you are told he sent 3 value or 3 money orders each 6,000 shillings. How much did he pay for the postage? Here we are calculating the money payable, which includes the total money orders, value of orders, plus the commission charge. So in this case, 6,000 will range here. So it means he paid 1 worth 6,000. He paid a commission of 56 shillings. Another worth 6,000 and he paid for 56 shillings. Another one worth 6,000 and he paid 56 shillings. So the total amount of money payable, the total commission was 56 times 3, 56 times 3, which is 18, carry 1, 15, 16, 168 shillings plus 18,000, which is 18,168 shillings. That is the total amount of money payable at the post office. So that is how you calculate questions on money orders. Thank you.